Want this?
Yeah, minute. How you live? 10 toes on me standing. Sama. I'm Mr. Body Catcher. I ain't so. But F1 fucking.
Hello, Sparkles. I'm Estella and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make Big DAWGS new trend video. And also there's a surprise for you at the end of the video, so just wait patiently. Add your starting clips, and as you know, your first clip will repeat 3 times according to this trend, so add your clips like that, adjusting it with song. I'll also tell you for clarification, but mine would be a little different. You also have to adjust it by yourself. Now at the first repeated clip with 0.5 duration, click on Overlay and add a white image. Click on Splices and choose Overlay and make it 100. Add a keyframe at the start. Make the white overlay duration 0.2. Then add a keyframe at the end and make the overlay to 1. Now make 2 duplicates of it and add it at the start of the rest of 2 repeated clips. Make sure to apply it carefully. Now again at the first repeated clip, click on Transition and go to the section called Blur. Choose Blurred Highlight and apply it to the rest of 2 repeated clips also. Now you see how it's looking. I hope you are not confused now. Now again at the first repeated clip, click on Effects and search Oblique Blur. Choose the first one. First click on Object and choose Main Object. You must do it. Now make the effect length half compared to your clip length. Make its length exactly like white overlay. Now add a keyframe at the start and make the blur 100. Then add a keyframe at the end, then make the blur and rotate both 0. Now make duplicate of it and apply it 2 times. Adjust it carefully. Apply it to the rest of 2 clips also 2 times. Now look, or this step is done, and now rest of the video is easy.
I'm Mr.
Now from the first main transition clip, you'll edit your rest of the video. Forget previous clips for now. At the first main clip, click on Animation and choose Swing Right. Make it 0.1. At the next clip, choose that animation swing bottom and make it 0.1, not more than it. Now repeat this process for the rest of the all clips. At 1, add swing right, then on next add swing bottom, then again. Don't forget to make it 0.1, not less or more than it. Now let's see how it's looking.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher. Cold snap. No regular F-150.
Now again at the first main clip, add 2 keyframes, 1 at the start and 1 at the end. Do it like this for all clips. 1 keyframe at start, 1 at end. Now at first main clip, click on it and touch this line on first keyframe like this. It color should be red like this, then school and find basic. Click on scale next, make it 135. Make sure you are touching first keyframe. Again on next clip at first keyframe. Click on basic, then on scale and make it 135. Repeat this process for rest of the all clips. After doing that again, come on first main clip, click on it, then click on graph and choose flow 2. Choose flow 2 for the rest of all clips. Now see how it's looking. Now again at the first main clip, click on overlay and add a white image. Zoom it, then click on splices and then choose overlay and make its intensity full. Make white overlay duration 0.5 if your clip's duration is around 0.7, or if it's not, then make the white overlay length half compared to the length of your clip. Add to keyframes 1 at the start and 1 at the end. At first keyframe, make the overlay full, and at the last keyframe, make the overlay 0. Now you see how it's going from 100 to 0. Now make duplicates of it and apply it at the start of the rest of all clips. Again at the first main clip, click on Effect and search oblique blur. Make its length half compared to your clip's length like you did for white overlay. Click on Object and choose All Video. If you didn't, your keyframes will be lost. Now add to keyframes 1 at the start and 1 at the end. On the first keyframe, make the blur 100, and on last keyframe, make the blur and rotate both 0. Make duplicates of it and apply it at the start of the rest of all clips. After applying it to all clips, click on it again and make duplicate of it, and it will automatically be applied one more time under the effect like I did do it for all clips again. Now, if you want to increase the white flash intensity, so click on white, overlay, and make duplicate of it, and apply it under it only if it's necessary. It depends on your clip. Do it like this, and I'm doing it because it will look good.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher.
Now see, it's looking better. And if you want blur more, then you can add it 3 times, also like I'm doing. Now this step is not necessary. You can do it if you want. At the first main clip, I'm going to add an overlay. You can easily find it from Pinterest. Just search Galaxy Overlay. Zoom it, click on Splices, and then lighten and adjust it on your first clip and cut the rest. I'm going to add another overlay. You can add it if you want. Search on Pinterest Ripple Overlay. Again, click on Splices, then on Lighten and adjust the overlay.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher.
Now let's see how it's looking.
Then when we
I'm Mr. Body Catcher. And this.
Now everything is done, only lyrics are left. Write lyrics and choose your favorite font. Go to Style, click on Case and choose the first option. Then click on Text and choose one color. I'm choosing yellow, then click on Glow and choose the same color. Then click on Shadow and choose Black. Increase the blur and make opacity around 30. Click on Glow again and make intensity 30 and range 80. Now adjust the text according to lyrics and cut the extra part.
wait a minute.
Set it at the middle, then click on Animation. Go to and choose Slide Left and make it 0.1 or 0.2.
Wait a minute.
Then click on Out and choose Slide Right and again make it 0.1.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Now apply the same setting for the rest of the lyrics. You can just change color if you want.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Get it how you live it.
You can add the effect Black Flash too if you want.
Yeah, wait a minute. Get it how you live. Yeah, wait a minute.
Minute. Give it 10. We standing on business.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher. Slaughter gang soul snatcher. This a fucking.
And you are done. So here is your surprise. Whoever will first comment on this video, Estella, will be given this edit for free and without watermark. It took me a lot of time to make this video. If you find my video helpful, then please appreciate. Till then, stay safe. Love from Estella.